Advanced Wireless Communications is a leading provider for long-term care facilities with communications, safety, and security solutions. Whether your facility is skilled in memory care, assisted living, independent living, or your campus houses all three levels of care, Advanced Wireless Communications is a leader in the design and integration of wireless communication solutions. Headquartered in the Minneapolis-St. Paul metropolitan area, since 1992, we've been creating on-site wireless systems that help businesses communicate effectively. Whether it's a national chain of retail stores, a 50-story office tower, a construction site, a large distribution center, a college campus, or a long-term care facility, Advanced Wireless has the expertise and the experience to create the best solutions possible. Regardless of where your business is located, if you need us on site, we'll be there. You can count on us to assess and fix problems or update your system to handle new challenges. It's this kind of can-do attitude that makes Advanced Wireless an innovative force in the world of two-way communications. And we do this all for our customers, small to big, local to national. You have our personal commitment and that of our incredible team. We're ready to partner with you and make your communications more effective and efficient. It's been said that people do not want to be sold by a salesperson. They want to be informed by experts. AWC works with you and listens to your needs and concerns and will help develop a plan and create solutions to fit your needs. Because facilities vary in size, shape, and services, AWC does not use a cookie-cutter approach. AWC can come up with a solution to fit your needs. AWC solutions can provide improved communications among staff members, improved safety and security for residents, guests, and staff members, improved productivity among staff, and accountability. Some of Advanced Wireless solutions for long-term care are two-way radios, voice-over IP communications, on-site paging, wireless call for help, wireless nurse call, wander control, door access control, door notifications, and wireless door intercom. Advanced Wireless Communications partners with major manufacturers, so they're able to offer the customer choices. After all, a choice of one is not a choice. AWC offers a full line of smaller business band two-way radios for long-term care staff, because long-term care staff don't want to have to carry large, bulky, heavy equipment during their shifts. We also offer a full line of high-tiered military spec radios and equipment. Whether it's a portable radio, mobile, or base stations, or radio repeaters, we have it all. AWC also offers a wide selection of two-way radio accessories such as radio headsets, armbands, chargers, batteries, and more. There are many long-term care facilities nationwide that have purchased two-way radios from Advanced Wireless. Because of this, AWC has gotten feedback from many locations regarding the amount of time that they have found that it saves the staff by locating other staff members, the requiring of assistance, locating equipment, and so on. Advanced Wireless has calculated, based on the information given us, that for each staff member that carries a two-way radio, it will save them a minimum of 10 minutes per 8-hour shift. By utilizing two-way radios, AWC calls this the power of one to many. Let's do the math. Let's say that the average employee wage is $13 per hour. You'll need to add in payroll-related costs, such as employer share of taxes, insurance, vacation, sick days, etc. That adds an additional $2.60 per hour for a total of $15.60 per hour wage. Your average time per shift saved is 10 minutes, which works out to $2.60 per shift per employee. Now I know that doesn't seem like much, but wait. Let's say you have 60 staff members carrying radios. 60 employees times $2.60 equals $156 per day. Still doesn't sound like a lot, does it? Well, figure it per month for a savings of $4,745. Now we're starting to talk about some savings. But let's now look at the savings per year. That's right, $56,940 in savings per year in staff productivity. Now we're talking some serious savings. Now, let's say that those 60 employees share a total of 48 radios to use. And for math purposes, let's say that those radios cost you $149 each. So 48 radios times $149 equals $7,152. Let's add in some radio accessories like gang chargers, spare batteries, headsets for a total of an additional $2,000. Now you have a total investment of $9,152. I know that sounds like a lot of money, and it is. You have an investment cost of $9,152. Divide that by the savings per month of $4,745, and your return on investment is 1.93 months. In other words, it'll take you under 2 months to pay for the equipment by the increase in staff productivity because of the improved communications. AWC offers a wide range of on-site paging options, as well as replacement pagers. The emergency custom call from Advanced Wireless is a great option for persons still in their homes or smaller facilities that need the assurance that when they need help, they're just a push of a button away. The emergency custom call system allows you to contact family, friends at the click of a button. It is the first programmable two-way voice communication pendant that quickly puts you in contact with up to 4 relatives, neighbors, or friends should you need it, all at the touch of a button. And if your program contacts are unreachable, Emergency Custom Call can be programmed to dial a 911 operator. The unit dials your emergency contacts in order until someone picks up. It uses 911 emergency as a backup if your contacts fail. Two-way speakerphone allows you to speak with emergency responders. Base station uses a standard wall outlet and telephone jack. The lithium-ion battery can last up to 1 month. It has a low battery indicator. The wireless coverage range is up to 600 feet. There's no monthly fees. Uses a standard telephone jack. It comes with a wheelchair or a wrist strap and a neck lanyard. AWC also offers a plug-and-play wireless call system for smaller facilities. You can choose from either wireless call boxes or wireless pendants. There are 2 different wireless receivers available, a 16-port receiver and a 32-port receiver. When a call box or pendant is activated, the receivers will sound an alarm and will display the call box or pendant that is alarmed. You also have the option to add a radio interface onto the receiver. So when a call box or pendant is activated, the receiver will show an alarm, and if the staff are carrying two-way radios, there can be an announcement made over that radio that there is a call in progress and they need to check the display on the receiver for the location of the call.
Resident call alarm. Please check panel.
The Instant Assistant wireless call system from Advanced Wireless Communications is a robust, effective, efficient, adaptable, and expandable system. There are many different input options to activate the Instant Assistant. Wireless bedside or bathroom call boxes, wireless pendants, wireless talking call boxes, wireless smoke alarms. And with the integration of a wireless transmitter, the Instant Assistant can alarm from wander control and door alarms, bed, wheelchair, and pressure alarms, fire panel alarms, wireless emergency call for help, humidity monitors, fixed temperature sensors for freezers and refrigerators, water sensors, a computer hotkey, and much more. The Instant Assistant has many choices for outputs or alarm notifications. The most popular is the real voice message to two-way radios.
Resident assistance needed. Room 212. Bathroom. First request.
Alphanumeric pagers, dome or corridor lights, LED scrolling signs, emails, or computer notification pop-ups. The Instant Assistant also has different online management reports. As long as you have web access, you have access to the reports. Or, the most popular, you can set up the reports to receive them daily in your email of the previous day's activities. AWC is also in many cases able to integrate the Instant Assistant into an existing hardwired call system with the use of a 64-port data concentrator, as long as your existing hardwired system is working properly. This will allow you to extend the life of your existing system, turning it into a wireless call system, and staff can receive the calls on two-way radios, and management staff can receive the management reports. Another option for a call system integration is with the use of the AWC Matchbox into the Instant Assistant. The Matchbox by Advanced Wireless Communications is a device that allows any legacy device that outputs alarms or monitoring information via a serial RS-232, a parallel IEEE-1284, or USB 2.0 ports to be monitored and alarmed derived from these outputs. Because most HVAC, nurse call, and industrial equipment allows for a printout, the Matchbox can be placed in line with the printer, and it searches the output for specific strings of data, ASCII codes, and matches that to predefined alerting strings. When a specific string is found, the corresponding alarm is then broadcasted to a host of options such as radio in the form of a voice message, pager, text, pop-up alerts, and more. Wireless call system integration. There are other wireless call systems and facilities utilizing the Inovonics FA product transmitters. Since this product has reached end of life, you may have been told you have to replace your entire call system. With the AWC Instant Assistant, that may not be necessary. AWC has developed an Ethernet RTU which can receive the FA data and feed it through into the Instant Assistant to activate the calls. With the installation of new Inovonics EchoStream platform wireless repeaters, which is what some other call system manufacturers are doing, you can operate both platforms. This will save you having to replace your entire existing system. Does your current call system alert staff of calls with the use of an alphanumeric pager? Would you like to receive the calls on a two-way radio? Well, now you can, with the use of the AWC's Page to Talk. The Page to Talk does not attach to your existing system. It's an overlay system that reads pages that are sent out by your existing system and converts the pages to speech. This allows your staff to utilize two-way radios in their daily tasks for communications, as well as receiving the calls, allowing your staff to be more efficient.
Attention, help needed in room 222.
Attention, assistance needed in room 330.
Advanced Wireless also offers a wide range of door solutions for your facility, such as wander control, door access control, door alarms, and wireless door intercoms. AWC has partnered with Accutech, offering top-of-the-line wander control. Accutech's Resident Guard wander management systems give Alzheimer's, dementia, and other at-risk residents the ability to move freely around the facility while receiving protection they and their families need. Using advanced RFID technology, this perimeter-based security system puts staff at ease while enabling them to direct their energies towards other critical tasks. The Resident Guard LC1200 Wander Management System is the ideal entry-level solution for facilities that need a quick, cost-effective, patient wandering capabilities. It can be implemented as a standalone system, or this system can be integrated with the advanced wireless nurse call system, electronic access control, closed-circuit television, fall detection, and other existing security mechanisms within the facility. The LS1200 is a durable wander control system. The wander control tags can be powered off when not in use. The Accutech system can be installed on doors, hallway settings, or in elevators. There are many different ways the wander control can be configured, with or without magnetic locks, always locked or always unlocked. If always unlocked, it'll lock when a tag comes into proximity of the door. There are local alarms, wireless remote alarms, or the Accutech Wander Control can be integrated into the AWC Instant Assistant wireless call system, alerting staff of the location of the door in alarm status.
Door alarm, front entry door.
The Accutech LS2400 boasts all the same features and benefits as the LC1200 Wander Control, with loiter and door ajar. It also has tag ID at the door. When the door goes into alarm status, the keypad will display which tag alarmed the system. It can display up to the last 30 tags that alarm that door. It also has a day-nighttime timer built into the keypad. The Accutech IS3200 is a top-of-the-line network-based wander control system with all the same robust features, and will have a computer monitor at the nurse's station which will display a map of your facility, and when the door goes into alarm status can display a picture of the resident that activated the alarm and the location of the door. Keeping your facility safe and secure is a growing concern in long-term care facilities. Accutech's Facility Guard is a network-based door access control system, allowing the facility to grant or deny access to individual doors in the facility during certain periods of time during the day. Instead of staff having to carry keys, they can use a card or a fob or be given a code to gain access. This has been a great solution for facilities. In the event of an employee leaving their job at a facility, instead of having to re-key door locks, you simply log on to the programming software and remove their access. AWC has seen door access control growing in popularity in long-term care facilities, mostly in independent and assisted living communities. They'll issue key cards to staff members that can be printed and used as a staff ID badge, issue key fobs for residents, and issue key codes to residents' family to gain access into the building after hours. Once that resident has moved out of their apartment, the facility simply logs onto the software and removes the access information for that resident and family from the system, so their access fobs or codes will no longer work to gain access into the building. Wireless door alarms. This is a simple wireless door transmitter that will activate either a wireless receiver or the instant assistant every time the door opens. If used with a wireless receiver, it will activate the wireless receiver every time the door opens, and a staff member will be required to go to the receiver and identify the door and press the reset button on the receiver. If it is used with the AWC Instant Assistant, one of two scenarios can be set up. It alerts staff over the radio every time the door opens, and a staff member will be required to go to that door to press the wireless reset pendant to make it stop. Or the timing of the notifications can be set up within the programming of the Instant Assistant to only send notifications to the radio-equipped staff during certain hours of the day. For example, if the door is to be alarmed only between the hours of 5 p.m. and 8 a.m. Perimeter door alarm. This product is equipped with an audible alarm at the door. This alarm is designed to be either equipped with or without magnetic locks. If there is no magnetic lock installed, it would require anyone wanting to pass through the door to enter a key code or press the override button in order to pass through without alarming the door. If there is a magnetic lock installed, the door would be locked at all times and would require a person to enter the key code or press the override button to unlock the door in order to pass through. In either case, if the door is left ajar, the system will go into alarm status. This perimeter door alarm can be integrated into the AWC Instant Assistant for staff to receive voice notifications on their radios of the door's location. Magnetic door locks. There are several different types of magnetic door locks: non-egress and delayed egress. All magnetic locks are required by code to be integrated into the facility's fire panel. In the event of a fire, it will drop power to the magnetic locks to allow exiting. Wireless door notification to two-way radio. This can be installed at a location to notify staff when someone presses the button on the unit. It will send a predefined and pre-recorded message to the radio-equipped staff. With the installation of the AWC Instant Assistant, there are several different options for door notifications. Wireless pendants. When someone presses the button, it will send a voice message to predetermined radio channels that there is someone at the door. The other options are wireless talking call boxes. When someone presses the button on the call box plays a message such as, "Please stay at this location, someone will be with you shortly." Once the call box is activated, it will send a message to the radio-equipped staff notifying them that there is someone at the door. Wireless two-way radio intercom systems. There are 3 different styles of the wireless two-way radio call boxes. When someone wants to enter, they press the talk button on the call box and start talking. The radio-equipped staff will hear the message and can talk back to that person. The talk button on the call box is a push-to-talk button, so they will need to push the button each time they talk with the staff. Thank you for watching. What you have just seen is a small example of some of the products AWC can offer to long-term care facilities. AWC has its own engineering department with many other products and solutions available. If you didn't see what you're looking for, please contact us. For more information, contact us at Advanced Wireless Communications, 1-800-475-5852, or visit our website at www.advancedwireless.com.